Bells rang for weekend and we started with our morning Manali ritual.
Namaskar. Welcome to Travel Tube. Welcome to another journey. A journey to the origin of River Beas. So without further ado, chalo, let's go. It's 9 in the morning. We started from Dhundi on our way to Beas Kund, the day one. With me is Abhishek. So
Yeah, we had quite an adventurous start. We went off the track and into the riverbed, onto the riverbed, and then really had to work hard to find our way back into the onto the trail. But here we are on our way.
So see you on the trail.
A bright, breezy morning welcomed us to the vast valley.
After hiking for about an hour, we reached the first hatch, and at the back you can see down there the civilization, and up there are the clouds. You can see at the back the clouds. This is the trail to Beas Kund. We are following that, and we'll take a rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll head towards Beas Kund.
Colors in the valley swayed to the tunes of southwesterly winds. Hiking to the highlands for a sight of this measure, a pleasure. Weather gods had a task cut out for us, maneuvering our way in the thunderous downpour. One to soothe our soul.
we are in Bakathach, Beas Kund base camp. So Bagathach did not disappoint us. It was raining like anything, so we were drenched, and now we have camped. This is our nest for the day, and the view this adds to the place. Mesmerizing. Can't get better. Clouds, greenery, and then you have the tall Himalayas.
Sun-tanned afternoon gave way to a cloud-covered evening. We leave you with a picturesque canvas as we stroll through the beautiful Bakathach.
If you like the episode, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to share your comments in the comment section. Thank you.